Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sherry. First off, let me tell you guys, thank you for subscribing to my channel. I have reached another milestone in this channel. I have hit 2,500 subscribers and I'm so humbled, and I want to thank you all for allowing me to reach that milestone. If you are not subscribed to this channel, I definitely encourage you to please subscribe, join the fam, hit that notification so that you can get notified whenever I post videos, and also you can see things that I post on my community page. Yesterday, Coach had some type of glitch in their system, and so a lot of items that have been out of stock for months popped up on their website yesterday, and so I was trying to post all these items as fast as I could. And I have a couple of videos coming up. I had my last haul video coming up really soon, but after yesterday that changed. But again, thank you all for subscribing. Please subscribe and let me get right into this video. Alright you guys, so before I start to show you what I purchased, I'm going to do an outfit of the day. I purchased this pink dress from JCPenney's. It is a cotton material, and I actually do have another one of these dresses here. I liked it so much that I ended up buying two. I'm going to give you a full shot of the dress, but this one is how it looks. It has these like bat wing sleeves that's open, and it has this opening right here on the side that gives you a little breathing room. The material is cotton, so it's a very nice wear, very comfortable. The color is amazing, and I simply love this dress, which is why I purchased a second one. It was on sale for $15. I bought the first one for $20, but then it went on sale for $15, so I grabbed this one up. And my purse that I'm wearing is this little beauty by Coach. I'll put the name up on the screen because I think it's the mini turn lock, but I forget which one it's called because I've had this for so long, you guys. I've had this for like 6 years or something like that. So it's a chalk color, and it has the rose turn lock in the center. Opens like this, and it has a brown interior. See if I can get that open. So this is the bag that I'm wearing for the day. And my shoes, I am wearing my Coach espadrille slides. I did not buy these two together. I think I bought these either earlier this year or late last year. And I've had this purse for a while, but I am wearing these together. Alright you guys, so the first thing that I'm going to re-show you this. I bought this and I unboxed this in a previous video, but the item that I bought to go with that is in this package right here. I'm going to take it out. I tried twice to get this item and it kept getting canceled. It's in here. This is the all-in-one wallet. I tried again. It popped up again on the website with one in stock, and that seems like to be the thing. These always pop up one left. And I tried again to get it, and this time it finally went through, and it came to my house like last week. So I bought this. I bought this to go with this bag. If I can get that off. Okay, so I bought this to go inside of here. Let me see if that fits, because I wanted some orange accessories to go with this. I don't have any orange accessories, so I wanted something to go with this when I wear it. Alright, so that does fit in there really nicely. And there's another piece inside of here that I wanted to get, which is not there, you guys. Oh my goodness. I hate when this happens. You guys, this is the 3-in-1 wallet, and there's supposed to be a piece on the inside of here, the pink piece that's supposed to be inside there, and it is not in this wallet. That sucks. I hate when this happens in an unboxing. That's okay nonetheless. Okay, I will reach out to Coach and find out what happened to the inside piece that's supposed to be in here that I'm not really sure why it's not. because this is not a complete wallet, but nonetheless it does match this. I'm disappointed about that because I paid like $55 for this. It matches that, but that sucks. Okay, on to my next item. And you guys, I'm almost for certain that I bought like the ugliest thing that Coach makes. Like, it's in this package right here. Okay, so this is my next item. Let me unbox it. When I opened this, when I bought this, I didn't think it looked this bad on the computer screen, and I think I was looking past the first item that was in front of it, and I bought it because of this. So let me show you the ugliness of this item first, and then I'll show you like the cute part. So I bought another pair of these socks. I had bought the original like pink color that was available for the signature print. So these were available for like 15 bucks, and I was like, oh, let me get those again. I'm not sure why I was looking past this brown pair, but I liked this cream pair. I'm going to take this out, but I'm telling you, I don't know what kind of peripheral vision I was looking around these socks, but wow. When I got it in the mail, I was like, what is this? Like, why does this brown look like this? So that's the brown. And you guys, it's an ugly color. Like, it's ugly. Like, to me, it looks like a men's sock. And I don't want to say that men's socks are ugly, but the color is really just not... I don't know what you would put this with. I don't have anything to match this, but these are really cute. I like that cream with the brown. And as you can see, the browns are two different colors. So it's not even like it's the same like color brown, you guys. Like, the browns are two different colors. But this right here, I was kind of shocked with this. And I pulled this out, and it's like a yikes and yay. It's like, I don't know. This kind of is like, one side is like yikes. Like, that's shockingly ugly, and this side is like, oh, those are really cute. They'll go with a nice pair of white gym shoes. You can pair this with a lot of like a cream shirt or something. And so I do wear a lot of white tops and cream tops, and so that's the reason why I bought these. But that is it for this quick video. I do have another video I'm filming. I'm filming a haul video. I'm gonna put that up sometime later after this one. Alright, you guys, that is it for this video. If you have any questions about anything in this video, hit me up down below. Let me know how you feel about the socks. Are you kind of shocked about that color? Is it ugly to you too? Or is it just me, like, I'm not a fan of that brown? Again, thank you guys so much for subscribing to my channel, and even more, thank you to those who actually do watch the videos, because those do help our channel get different views and really grow. We see those analytics on our channel, so YouTube can tell us how our channel is performing, and it really just makes us happy that someone is appreciating this content that we are putting out. But not going to make this too long. As always, thank you again for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one. Alrighty, bye.